All right, last thing I'm going to put up today, how to properly read a measurement. How to properly read a measurement. When you're reading a measurement, the rule is you have to go one place value further than the smallest marking. So let's take a look at this ruler and see what that smallest marking is so that we can figure out how far our measurement has to go. So this is the typical metric ruler. And we see the markings on it, 20, 21, 22, 23. The question is, what are these little lines in between? That's what's going to determine how far we have to go in our measurements. Well, if that's 20 and that's 21, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divisions between each one, we know each individual marking must be the 10th place. So if we look at this, that's 20. Then we have 20.1, 20.2, 20.3, 20.4, 20.5, 20.6, 20.7, 20.8, 20.9, and 21. Each of these little markings is 0.1. Each mark is 0.1. That means our measurement has to go one place value further. Our measurements have to go 2 numbers after the decimal place or down to the 100th place. So let's say our marking we're trying to read is right there. That marking looks to me somewhere between this, which would be 20.6, and that would be 20.7. We write down the lower one, 20.6, and then we estimate how far between we are. This last number is an estimation, and it tells us basically how far past 20.6 we've gone. 1, 2, 3 would be just a little bit past 0.6. 7, 8, 9 would be almost all the way to 0.7. If we wanted to say we're halfway between, we might put a 5 on the end, as 5 means halfway between. With the rulers, the metric rulers, it's always down to the 100th place, 2 numbers after the decimal point. The triple beam balances work the same way because they're marked the same way. The little lines on the ones beam are the tenths, so we have to go to hundredths. Graduated cylinders vary depending on which graduated cylinder you're looking at.